The Ford Mustang Pinto is a fascinating blend of two iconic Ford models that have left their mark on automotive history. The Mustang, known for its muscle car legacy, and the Pinto, a compact economy car, both played significant roles in their respective segments. When reviewing these cars, it's essential to explore their specifications, features, and overall performance. The Mustang has always been synonymous with power, style, and performance. Depending on the model year, the Mustang has been available with a variety of engine options ranging from fuel-efficient inline-4s to powerful V8s. The design has evolved over the years, but it has always maintained its aggressive stance, long hood, and sleek lines. The interior of the Mustang provides a driver-focused experience with comfortable seating, advanced technology, and modern safety features. Whether it's the classic first-generation Mustang or the latest model, Ford ensures that performance enthusiasts get the thrill they seek. The Pinto, introduced as a subcompact economy car, was designed to be affordable, efficient, and practical. It came with smaller engine options, including inline-4s, focusing on fuel efficiency rather than high performance. Despite its smaller size, the Pinto offered decent interior space and was available in multiple body styles, including sedan, hatchback, and wagon. Over the years, it gained popularity among budget-conscious consumers looking for a simple, reliable vehicle. However, it also faced criticism due to safety concerns, particularly regarding rear-end collisions. Comparing these two Ford vehicles, the Mustang is built for performance and style, while the Pinto is more about practicality and efficiency. The Mustang's powerful engine options, advanced features, and aggressive styling make it a favorite among car enthusiasts. In contrast, the Pinto was a car aimed at affordability, easy maintenance, and fuel economy. While they cater to different markets, both vehicles have played essential roles in Ford's history. For those looking to explore the Mustang and Pinto further, it's essential to consider their specific models, trims, and production years. Each model year brings various updates and changes that can affect performance, design, and reliability. Whether you're looking for a muscle car experience with the Mustang or a budget-friendly classic with the Pinto, both vehicles have unique characteristics that make them stand out. If you enjoy content like this and want to stay updated on more reviews, specs, and features of classic and modern cars, make sure to subscribe for more videos.